So, dito naman tayo sa logical operators. Examples. X equals 5. 5 is assigned value to variable x. Then it uses logical operators and, or, and not, which are used to combine or reverse conditions. So, meaning, and returns true if both conditions are true, or returns true if at least one condition is true. Not reverses the result, true becomes false, false become true. So, the output is true, true, and false. So, yung question is, bakit false yung number 3? Ang sagot niyan is tama kasi nagamit kasi siya ng not, kaya yung sagot is false.